Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. Yes, as you can see, look at these nasty holes on my plasterboard. Yes guys, it's very deep. There's so many holes, and I'm going to show you how to fill these holes up the quick way. Look, I'm putting my finger in there. Look how deep it is. Very deep. I will try on this one as well. Very deep, guys. So this is in my bathroom. It's terrible. This is the best solution what to do, and I will show you what to do, guys. Okay, so let's fast forward. This is what you need. You need expandable foam, just like this. This is waterproof as well, and it will seal any hole. It's the best method, guys. Give it a good shake. This is Gorilla foam, but you can buy anything similar to this. This is what I'm doing now. I'm spraying it inside. It's gonna expand. You see, guys, it's expanding from the inside and it's coming from the outside. It's the best method. Like I said, it seals the hole no matter how big it is, and it's waterproof. Alright, I'm gonna fill all the holes, guys, and show you how it looks like. There's a lot of debris inside here. I'm gonna clean it out. So once I filled all the holes, I will show you what the next step is. Right, I filled all the holes, as you can see. Now what we need to do is wait for it to dry. It starts to get hard within an hour, but the best thing to do is leave it for a few hours. Let the foam completely set. Right, a couple of hours later, it's gone hard. Right, this is what you need, guys. A portable sword, just like this. You can use anything similar like this and just saw away. Right, I'm just prepping this, getting it ready to sand it with this sanding block. So this is what you need to do now. Just go over it, make it nice and smooth. I'm just concentrating on this foam on this wall here, so it will give you an idea on what to do. Can you see, guys? It's blended in to the plasterboard. Right, once that's done, I will show you what to do next. I'm just gonna make it look nice. Right, now you use instant filler. So you can use something similar to this, guys. This is a cheap brand, but it's effective. So use filler. Put some on your finger and just smother it around the foam, so it will give that extra thickness. It will blend into the plasterboard. Very nice. You see, it's looking much better now. Yeah, just keep using as much as you can so it's covered. So for this hole, it doesn't need too much. Comment below, guys. Tell me what you think of this method. Look at it now. Much better than before, isn't it? So look. Now you need to scrape it, guys. So I put extra filler here and I'm just scraping the excess filler onto the scraper. Just to blend it in so the wall is all even. Once the filler is dried on the wall, then use your sanding block again and just smooth it, guys, so it blends in more. All the rough edges go away. Right, have a look at the end result. Like I said, guys, please comment and like this video if it helped you today or night. Much better, isn't it, guys? Right, I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.